everybody, welcome to Math Made Easy by Planet Spark. I am back with the last topic of the chapter polynomials. So mostly सारी चीज़ें हम cover कर चुके हैं, factor theorem, remainder theorem, the operations on polynomials, classification and all of that. ठीक है, last topic पे अब हम आते हैं, that is factorization of polynomials. So let's get started everybody. So a quadratic polynomial, फर्स्टली क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल हम कंसिडर करेंगे और उसके फैक्टराइजेशन की बात करेंगे, राइट. सो वी नो इन वन वेरिएबल इज एन एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ द फॉर्म एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी वेयर द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज 1. स्पेसिफिकली इस टाइप का पॉलिनोमियल हम कंसिडर कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ओके, सो टू फैक्टराइज सच एक्सप्रेशंस वी फाइंड टू नंबर्स. कौन से दो नंबर हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे? द सम that is equal to coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x here everybody? B. Okay, and the product, that is the constant term, that is C. This method is called middle term splitting method, or we can say splitting the middle term method. Okay, as we split the middle term, the term with x, okay, this is the middle term, writing in the decreasing order of the powers of x. This is the middle term. Using the two numbers satisfying the above condition. कुछ समझ आया यहाँ से? No, not a problem. Let's take an example and let's understand with that. Okay, let's say we have x square plus 5x plus 6. ठीक है जी, ये है हमारे पास polynomial. Coefficients को हम नाम देंगे. Coefficient of x square is a, so a is 1. Coefficient of x is b, so b here is 5. The constant term is c, so c here is 6. इस middle term को हमें split करना है. What is the purpose? Let's understand that first. यहाँ पे अगर हम इसे split करके लिख दें, then 4 terms होंगी. Then there might be a scenario कि first 2 term में से हम कुछ common ले लें, last 2 term से कुछ common ले लें, and then the common term is same. तो दो फैक्टर्स आ जाएंगे हमारे पास, राइट. दैट इज द पर्पस, दैट इज व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू हियर. अब इस मिडिल टर्म को स्प्लिट कैसे करें? दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. ओके, दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग हियर. कैसे स्प्लिट करेंगे? इस तरह से स्प्लिट करना होगा कि समथिंग इज कॉमन विद द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड समथिंग इज कॉमन विद द last term here as well. So for that we have this method that multiply a and c. Take the product, so a into c is 1 into 6, that is 6. Now factorize the 6, write it as a product of two factors in such a way that their sum or difference is equal to b. क्या करेंगे? Listen again carefully. Take a and c, multiply them, then write this as a product of two factors in such a way that the sum or difference is equal to the value of b here or the coefficient of x here. क्यों कर रहे हैं ये? क्योंकि इसी को तो split करके लिखेंगे ना यहाँ पे, right everybody? So we have 6. अब इसके multiple types में हम लिख सकते हैं. We can write 6 as 6 into 1. We can write it as 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 or 1 into 6. In different ways we can write. कौन सा हम choose करेंगे? We'll choose it in such a way that the sum or difference is equal to 5. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 minus 1 is 5. ठीक है, आ रहा है, but do we need a negative sign here? No. तो इसको करेंगे discard. Then 2 plus 3, that is 5. Yes, we can use that, and positive sign is there, so done. 2 plus 3. So 6 we can write as 2 into 3, where 2 plus 3 is giving us the value of b here. So now write 5x as 2x plus 3x. That's how we split the middle term, right? Remember this trick. So we have got here x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6, right? Now from the first two terms we can take x common. From the last two terms we can take 3 common. ये common लेने के बाद दोनों जगह से हमारे पास बचेगा x plus 2. Then we can take that common. So what are we left with? X plus 3. So factorization is done. We have got the two factors as x plus 2 and x plus 3. Understood everybody? Very easy. Just remember this. A into c, split करेंगे in such a way that sum or difference is equal to b here. Understood why we are doing this? Okay, then we take common and the factorization is done. Okay, so that is the splitting the middle term method. Okay, then we have some algebraic identities here as well that can help us in factorization. Okay, square identities एक बार रिवाइज करते हैं before going to the cube ones. You all remember everybody? X plus y whole square. Yes, quickly tell me in the comments. That is x square plus y square plus 2xy. Similarly, x minus y whole square, that is x square plus y square minus 2xy. Another important one, x plus a into x minus a, that is equal to x square minus a square. Or you can write x plus y, x minus y. Variables कुछ भी use करो. Okay, very important. अब यहाँ से चलते हैं क्यूबिक आइडेंटिटीज पे. x प्लस वाई होल क्यूब, दैट विल बी x क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस 3xy इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई. सेम चीज होगी x माइनस वाई की आइडेंटिटी में. द ओनली चेंज इज जहाँ जहाँ पॉजिटिव साइन है वहाँ वहाँ नेगेटिव साइन कर दो. दैट्स इट. सो x क्यूब माइनस वाई क्यूब minus 3xy into x minus y. That's it. Okay. Next one, x plus y plus z whole square. That will be equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. ठीक है, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट आइडेंटिटीज हैं ये, रिमेंबर देम. बाकी अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चंस विल लर्न मोर. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन में जैसा यूज होगा. चलिए जी, लेट्स कम टू द क्वेश्चंस. फैक्टराइज दिस. व्हाट डू वी हैव हियर? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 6. जैसे ही पॉलिनोमियल मिल जाए, राइट इट इन द डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ द पावर्स ऑफ द वेरिएबल. ऑलरेडी इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर, राइट? सो लेट्स यूज स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म मेथड हियर. मिडिल टर्म को स्प्लिट करेंगे हम. इट इज जस्ट लाइक द एग्जांपल वी डिड बैक देयर, राइट एवरीबॉडी? तो ये तो हमें पता है क्या होगा. एक्स स्क्वायर plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. From the first two terms take x common, x plus 2. From the last two terms take 3 common, x plus 2. अब इन दोनों terms से we can take x plus 2 common. So what are we left with? यहाँ से x, यहाँ से plus 3. Factorization is done. Okay, next one. Okay, factorize this. 4x square minus 12x plus 9. चलिए सेम चीज रिपीट करेंगे. a क्या है? 4, b is equal to minus 12, c is equal to 9. a, b और c की वैल्यू always write along with the signs everybody. Very important. पॉजिटिव है तो पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव है तो नेगेटिव. अब क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे यहाँ पे? a इंटू सी, दैट इज 4 इंटू 9, 36. Now we have to factorize it in such a way that यहाँ पे जो दो नंबर हम लिखेंगे, for them the sum or the difference should be negative 12. Okay, let's see. So 36 के factors हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 1 into 36, 6 into 6, 9 into 4. राइट, अब इन्हीं में पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव साइंस और वी कैन स्वैप द वैल्यूज. कहाँ पे हमारे पास नेगेटिव 12 आएगा एवरीबॉडी? 6 प्लस 6, राइट? बट दोनों पॉजिटिव हैं, सम भी पॉजिटिव होगा. अब कुछ ऐसा करना होगा कि नेगेटिव साइन आए उनके सम में, लेकिन प्रोडक्ट पॉजिटिव रहे. When will that happen? When both are negative, right? So we can take it as negative 6 into negative 6, right? Negative into negative positive, and add करेंगे negative 6 negative 6 को तो negative 12 there. Okay? So we have done the splitting there. That means हमने minus 12x को क्या लिखा? Minus 6x minus 6x there. Okay, let's write it here then. 4x square minus 6x minus 6x plus 9. From the first two terms, what can we take common everybody? 2x. So we are left with 2x minus 3. Then we can take again minus 2 common here. और नो 3 कॉमन हियर बिकॉज 9 है हमारे पास वहाँ पे. सो हम 3 कॉमन लेंगे, नेगेटिव 3. ओके, नेगेटिव साइन कॉमन लिया है, सो दिस विल बी पॉजिटिव 2x एंड दिस विल बी नेगेटिव. राइट, 2 minus 3 is common now, 2x minus 3. So let's take that common. And then 2x minus 3. right? So these are the factors, or we can write 2x minus 3 whole square, right? ये था method 1. Method 2 is using the identities. Identify करने की कोशिश करो क्या यहाँ पे कोई identity बन रही है. Okay, so here we can write it as 2x whole square. 9 is 3 square. Are we getting this term as 2 into first term into second term with a negative sign? So minus 2 into 2x into 3. Yes, everybody. Are we getting it as 12x? Yes, absolutely. So क्या form आ गई हमारे पास ये? Yes, a square minus 2ab plus b square. That means a minus b whole square identity. So यहाँ से we can write it as 2x minus 3 whole square. So 2x minus 3 into 2x minus 3. These are the factors. कोई भी मेथड हम यूज कर सकते हैं. There are always more than one method to factorize any given polynomial there, right? Possible है. 2 मेथड से 3 मेथड से you can do it. Whatever clicks, use that method and it will be right. Okay, आंसर हमेशा सेम आएगा. Next one. 9x square plus 12x plus 4. Again 2 methods are there. So for you, I want you to do splitting the middle term. यहाँ हम करेंगे yes the identity method. Let's see. Okay, we are trying. Let's see identity मिलती है कि नहीं. So we have 9x square that we can write as 3x whole square, right everybody? 4 is there that we can write as 2 square. Then plus 12x. So this we can write as 2 into 3x into 2. Right everybody? So are we getting 12x? Absolutely. तो क्या आ गया हमारे पास form? A square plus 2ab plus b square. That means we have a plus b whole square form. So from here, let's write using. We can write it as 3x plus 2 whole square. So what are the factors? 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 2. Same answer will get using other method also. Splitting the middle term से भी यही answer आएगा. Just try that and tell me in the comments if you are getting the same answer. Okay, next question everyone. Now use suitable identities to find the following products. Okay, जहाँ पे कुछ identities use कर सकते हैं करेंगे. If not, we can just simplify it. Okay, now let's identify what type is it. 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. Okay, ये इस type की अगर हम बात करें, this is of the form x plus a into x minus b. ठीक है, ये वाली आइडेंटिटीज यूजुअली याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, वी नो हाउ टू टेक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 2 पॉलिनोमियल्स, राइट? 2 बाइनोमियल्स देयर, सो यू कैन यूज दैट एंड सिंप्लीफाई, राइट? इसकी आइडेंटिटी याद करोगे, देन साइंस याद करोगे, बिकॉज 4 ऐसी आइडेंटिटीज हैं यहाँ पे. x प्लस ए इंटू एक्स प्लस बी, एक्स माइनस ए एक्स माइनस बी, एक्स प्लस ए एक्स माइनस बी एंड एक्स माइनस ए एक्स प्लस बी. नो नीड टू गो देयर, डायरेक्टली सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. ओके, सो every term of the first bracket is multiplied with the second bracket, right? And we'll simplify it. So let's do that. 3x into 3x minus 5 plus 4 into 3x minus 5. That is equal to 9x square, 15x, 12x, negative 20. Okay, like terms को combine करेंगे. Minus 15 plus 12, so negative 3x minus 20, and that's the answer. Okay, very easy. यहाँ से भी 2-3 स्टेप में easily आंसर आ जाएगा. चलिए जी, next one. 104 into 96. Okay, this is interesting question. इस टाइप के products जहाँ पे हैं, we can find them using the identities. How? Let's see. 104 को हम लिख सकते हैं 100 plus 4. Isn't that everybody? Yes. 96 को हम लिख सकते हैं 100 minus 4. So क्या फॉर्म आ गई हमारे पास? x plus y into x minus y, and that is what? X square minus y square. So let's use that. 100 square minus 4 square. Right? Very easy. Just simplify it and you have your answer. ठीक है, बहुत easily we can write such products there. Again, there can be more than one way to write it. Okay, But always be very careful. We'll use the values which will make our calculation easy. Calculation को हमें मुश्किल नहीं बनाना है, otherwise तो हम इसे multiply कर ले and we'll get the answer. Okay, next one. Okay, use suitable identities again to simplify this. 4x square, so we can write it as 2x whole square plus 9y square, so 3y whole square plus 16z square, so 4z whole square, right? यहाँ से टाइप पता चल रहा है x plus y plus z whole square, that is equal to what? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, so let's see, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि नहीं? So we have here 12xy, so 2 into 2x into 3y, we can write it like this. Then minus, okay, नेगेटिव साइन अब हमारे पास आ रहा है, किन टर्म्स में आ रहा है? वेयर वी हैव z देयर, इसका मतलब z की टर्म में नेगेटिव साइन होगा कहीं. यस, सो वी कैन पुट द नेगेटिव साइन हियर. अब यहाँ पे वो नेगेटिव साइन क्यों नहीं आ रहा? बिकॉज स्क्वायर ऑफ अ नेगेटिव नंबर इज पॉजिटिव, सो बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट. ओके, सो इसे पॉजिटिव ही रहने देंगे. विल राइट द नेगेटिव साइन विद द टर्म ऑफ द z ओनली. सो 2 into 3y into negative 4z. Done? Sign is done, value is done. चलिए next one, plus 2 into minus 4z into 2x. Right everybody? 16 and negative sign. Done? Okay then. So हमारे पास क्या है? 2x, 3y and minus 4z. So using the identity, what do we get here? 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. That is the answer. So what are the factors here? Yes everybody, 2x plus 3y minus 4z and 2x plus 3y minus 4z, right? 2 times the same factor is there. Chaliye, next one. Okay, I guess this is the same, right? 24 and 16, yes. So let's see the next one. 2x plus 1 whole square. Direct from the identity we can simplify it, right? It is of the form a plus b whole square. We know the identity a square, so 2x whole square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, right? So we have got here 4x square plus 1 plus 4x, and that is the right answer. Next one. 2a minus 3b whole square. Again, it is of the form x minus y whole square. So directly from identity we can simplify this. तो चलिए करते हैं. Square of the first term 2a whole square plus 3b whole square minus 2 times 2a into 3b. So क्या मिलेगा हमें? 4a square plus 9b square minus 12ab. कोई लाइक टर्म्स हैं जो कंबाइन कर सकते हैं? नो. सो दैट इज द फाइनल आंसर. चलिए नेक्स्ट वन. A rectangular garden has an area of 84 meters square. The length is x plus 7 and the width is x minus 5. Form a quadratic equation in x. चलिए जी. So area given है हमें. How can we write the area? Area is equal to length into breadth, or we can say width. So area is 84. That is equal to the length x plus 7 into the breadth x minus 5. So we have area 84, that is equal to x plus 7 into x minus 5. Area is length into breadth. अब इसे अगर हम simplify करेंगे, so what do we get here? A quadratic equation. So let's do that. Simplifying the right hand side, what do we get here? X square plus 7x, right? Minus 5x minus 35. That is equal to 84. Okay. So we get here x square plus 2x minus 35 and 84 also we can take it to the left hand side, so minus 84. तो क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास negative 119, that is equal to 0. So that is the required quadratic equation. चलिए ये part done. Factorize it using splitting the middle term method. Okay जी, अब इसे हमें factorize करना है using splitting the middle term. Okay, then let's try that. So a into c, that is negative 119. This we have to write as a product of two factors such that उनका sum और difference क्या होगा 2. Okay, यहाँ पे negative है तो प्रोडक्ट में एक पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए, एक नेगेटिव होना चाहिए. ओके देन थिंक ऑफ इट, व्हाट फैक्टर्स वी कैन हैव हियर फॉर 119 एवरीबॉडी. लास्ट क्वेश्चन वाज इनकरेक्ट, सो जस्ट omit it. Next question. So next question we have here, a student claims that x square minus 25 is equal to x minus 5 whole square. Verify if this factorization is correct. So let's see everybody, क्या है हमारे पास x square minus 25. So let's factorize it. Left hand side को factorize करेंगे, then we'll see right hand side के equal है कि नहीं. Okay, now we can write it as x square minus 25 is what, 5 square. So it is of the form a square minus b square. क्या factors होंगे a plus b into a minus b? That is x plus 5 into x minus 5, right? But right hand side पे क्या given है, x minus 5 whole square. So is it correct? No. The factorization here is not correct. If incorrect, provide the correct factorization. So that we have already done here. This is the correct factorization. Okay, next one. Chaliye, that was it. Let's summarize what we learnt here. We learnt about factorization of polynomials. Majorly two methods we have learnt here. First one is splitting the middle term and the second one is using identities. Okay, so quadratic polynomials को जब हम splitting the middle term से factorize करते हैं, so what we do there? Yes, we use the trick there. Let's say we have ax square plus bx plus c. We take the product of a and c, then we write it as a factor of two values in such a way कि उनका sum और difference किसके equal होगा, b के equal. So that is how we split the middle term there. Okay, then the middle term splitting method identifies two numbers whose sum equals to the coefficient of the middle term. दो number होंगे जिनका sum किसके equal होगा, sum or difference we can say to the coefficient of the middle term, and whose product is equal to a into c, right, in the general form, just like we did there. Grouping and simplification are applied after splitting to the to extract the common factors there, right. ये करने के बाद हमारे पास चार terms होंगी, then we group the like terms. First two terms में से कुछ common लेंगे, last two terms से कुछ common लेंगे, and then the common part we take common, so we end up getting two factors, just like this one. Okay, so this one we can use using identities also, that we have already done. So make a chart everybody, सारी identities वहाँ लिखो and see how you can identify and how you can use them. So that was all in the chapter polynomials everybody. Thank you very much. Next time we'll be starting the next chapter.